So hi guys, welcome to my second vlog. Come with me for an evening shooting after our morning practice. So nakuha muna ako ng t-shirt, shirt. At kuha din tayo ng medyas guys para ready tayo. Ayun guys, bye bye. Transition. So yun na nga guys, kuha natin ating shoes. Tapos yung medyas natin. Tapos i-ready ko na siya sa bag guys. Shout out to Carl Chua for the shoes. Thank you so much. Ayun guys, ready tayo guys. Lagay ko na sa bag yung mga gamit ko. So yun na nga guys, close na natin. Tapos may sirang zipper pa yan. So yun guys, zip up na ako. Ready na ako. Close ko yung CR. And yeah, let's go to Andrew Colleges. So yun na nga guys, bababa muna tayo sa dorm. Nag-book na ako ng masakyan ng motor. Yes, hintay muna tayo dito sa lobby. Tapos habang naghihintay, may pusa na lumapit sa akin guys, napaka-cute. Yun lang, share ko lang. So yun na nga guys, meron na nabuko ng motor. Okay na po ya. Gawin na tayo sa school. Ano guys, nakakaganda ng araw. Nakakaganda ng business. Thank you Lord God for the school. And guys, bye. School. Parang Hogwarts, parang dito sa school si Harry Potter. So na guys, walk na tayo papunta sa gym. Let's go down here sa stairs and everything. So yun guys, ready ko na guys. Let's suit up and let's go for a shooting. So yun na guys, nagtay na ako ng shoelaces ko and everything. So, yun. Let's go. So, I practice situational shooting dito guys. I practice mid-range. Hindi ko lang na video lahat kasi mapupuno yung storage. So, I also did some ball handling. Quick ball handling lang guys. And then after that, after our shooting, after our dribbling is naglaro kami ng one-on-one with my friend. Shout out to Byron Legaspi nga pala guys. Yun, may pa-behind the back. May pa-behind the back pa yan. Spin move. Hey, spin move. So after shooting and dribbling guys for about an hour, nag one-on-ones kami guys. So yun guys, I think mga 45 minutes kami nag one-on-one guys is practicing our in-game moves and reading the defense guys. May pa-step back pang nalalaman. Boom. Sino ka? And guys, he also had some good shots against me. And guys. Wow, jump shot yan. Jump shot ang person. So yun lang guys. Hindi ko na video lahat kasi puro storage ko. Bye bye!